Hi all, good morning. Today we are going to see Montessori apparatus. This apparatus is going to be very interesting. Why? Because the earth is full of shapes. So we are going to learn many new shapes today. So geometry means, geo means earth. Metry means material, the measurement of the materials. So there are different kind of shapes which we have presented in this apparatus. In this apparatus, all the shapes are of different dimensions. If you can see, this is small and this is large, so the dimensions are not equal. This Montessori apparatus, it is mainly used for orientation. So orientation is what and all shapes we are going to learn, we are going to relate it with the environment. So if you can see, when you enter this room, you saw the door. What is the shape of the door? You can see it is a rectangular shape. And you are holding a water bottle. The cap of the water bottle, if you find, it is circle in shape. So we can relate the shape to the environmental objects around us. So this geometric shapes, it is used for the children above 3 years of age, so that they can learn geometry in future. This is a basic mathematical geometry concept. Further, after this we can develop the geometric skills better. There are 5 plane shape cards. The first one is rectangle, there is a triangle, then circle, square and a triangle. Cone. So there are 5 basic playing cards and 10 set of wooden solid 3-dimensional shapes. So if you can hold it, you can feel the shape, and we can differentiate the shape by touching with your hands, both the hands. If we give this sphere to a child, the child will hold, they will feel, they will touch the shape and they can relate, okay, this is a sphere and I can't keep it on the flat surface as such. So I need a holder. This is a holder. That is a set of 3 holders with this apparatus. The 3 holders are used to place this round-edged sphere. So then this is an ellipsoid. This also cannot be placed in the flat surface, because if you keep on the flat surface, what will happen? It will roll. So we are going to have this holder for this ellipsoid, and we have a ovoid. This is oval in shape. The difference between ellipsoid and ovoid is this ovoid, it looks like an egg. So the one of the edges it is narrow and the bottom edge is wider. So another holder it is used for this ovoid. So as we know, the names, 10 solid shapes names are sphere, cylinder, cone, cube, ellipsoid, ovoid, rectangular prism, triangular prism, square based prism. I will show you the prisms. This is a prism. So this base, it has a square shape. So this is known as square based prism. And we have another prism whose base is triangle in shape. So this is triangular prism. And we have another prism which has triangle based prism. This is a triangular prism. This has a triangle based prism. So, and we have a cone. This is cylinder. This is cube, and this is cuboid. Elevated version of cube is cuboid. Okay. The demonstration of this apparatus is going to be, we have to keep it on the flat surface, and if you see this, everything it comes in the same color. So the child, how they are going to differentiate about the shades is not by seeing the color. They are going to touch, feel, and their visual ability is going to improve. How they are going to see is, they will pick any one of the object, solid shape, and they will touch, they will feel this, and they will repeat the name of this. This is sphere. Okay, this is sphere. The next one I will take ellipsoid. So they will touch and feel. Okay, this is, both the ends are equal. This is ellipsoid. The same thing, but it has a narrow end. This is ovoid, and this is like a can, the juice can. So this is looking like a cylinder. This is cylinder. This is rectangular based prism. This is a cube. and they will see this. This is a prism and it has a triangle shape. So this is a triangular based prism. This is a cone. They will touch and see. This is also a prism. So I will see the base. What is the base? Square. Square based prism. Triangular prism. So we can give three activities, basic three activities for the kids using the playing cards. If I spread these playing cards in the mat, I will ask the child to match the shapes with the playing cards. So if I take this, the base is square, I can place it here. This is a square, so I can place it here. This has a circle shape, so I will place it here. And this is a triangle, so I will place it here. So this is the first activity. The second activity comes, you can build a castle. Children like to play, build a castle. It can be their imagination. It will improve their imaginations, art skill to build a castle with different kind of shapes. Third thing, we can use a box. You can cover this box with a black color cloth. You can ask the child to close their eyes. Then they have to touch and close their eyes and feel one of the shapes, and they have to name them. So the vocabulary we are getting from here is the name of the shapes. Then if you touch and feel, then your motor skills will develop. Then the visual skill. We are not going to differentiate with the colors. So your visual skill, so how many edges are there? So this is a triangle, 3 edge. So it is a triangle. So the visual skill will be there.